between lightning and thunder, 3 seconds the gap. A warm candle glow keeps this woodroom from black. And my cat, she sleeps on an old clippy mat. She's purring out echoes of faint pitter-pat as the rain pours down in the yard. Rain, a most haunting sound. Rain makes beautiful music, and rain brings peace upon all whom it falls. The old subconscious and I are back on speaking terms. He is sending his colors and his beautiful words, and far, far away heart, the harsh city folk. I'm surrounded by country, surrounded by night, as the rain pours down in the yard. Rain, a most haunting sound. Rain makes beautiful music, then rain brings peace upon all whom it falls. Through a crack in the window meanders a breeze, aids the mimic of the cricket through the rustling of the leaves. And the ghosts need not scare me, they are welcome within to share my rye whiskey and watch with me as the rain pours down in the yard. Rain, a most haunting sound. Rain makes beautiful music, and rain